This is going to be an unboxing video of not this radio, because the reason I put 900 kilohertz is that I have 900 subscribers. I'm 100 subscribers more to 1,000. So hooray! So that's not the point of this video, of this radio. The point of this video is this, the Tecsun AN-200 loop antenna. I got this for Christmas. Let's take a look at the box here. If I can't get it in the shot, there's some Chinese writing. And on the back, the sides are just plain. Compared to the other side, there's a barcode, and then on the bottom it's just plain. So let's open it up. If I could get it out with one hand here. There it is. There's the loop antenna and bubble wrap. I'll get the box out of the way. There it is, covered in bubble wrap. Let's take it out here. Wow, that is a loop antenna. Yeah, I might put it on a stand because it will fall over, so I might have to get a box or something to put this on so it will not fall over. So I'll put it right there for now. And in here might be instructions, which they're all in Chinese. If it could focus, it's in Chinese, which I have no clue what it is. Yeah, play only. I think it's talking to how to use a loop and connecting the wires to it, which I won't need because my radio doesn't have a jack for it. And instructions to how to use it, which I cannot read because it's all in Chinese. So I might know how to use it. And the accessory they included, put the loop down for a minute, is the little cable, which I don't need because my radio doesn't support it. Not all radios support the connection, which I'll show you in a second. Here's a loop antenna itself. So I tuned my radio to 900 AM, and then you put it near the radio like this, and tune it. Yeah, the signal's a little stronger. Let me try a different frequency. So 1030. Oops, the loop fell down. Yeah, I need to get a stand for the loop because they will fall down like that. I want to try nothing with music because I don't want to get no copyright claims. I'll try it on... what frequency I haven't tried yet? I'll try 750. Or 790. I'll try the loop on 790. See if I can improve 790 a bit. Oops. Yeah, this is a problem. The loop keeps falling, so I need to get a stand or something to hold the loop up. Yeah, I can hear the signal a bit stronger. I'll try a different frequency. I'll put the loop down for a second. I'll try 1260 next. Oops. It is a problem with this type of design. This is not really designed to do it on a bed. You have to sit on something stable to use it. So I might do more videos on this loop later.